Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about the one and only ApeCoin. ApeCoin has absolutely exploded over the last day or so. I'm talking 50 to 70% here. So we're going to be covering this from a fundamental perspective, and then we're going to be going deep down and dirty into the charts and getting some sort of price prediction on what we could be looking out for here in the next couple of weeks, months or so for ApeCoin, and see if we can profit from it. Right, that's why we're here. We're all here to make money. So let's do that together. Okay, so starting off with ApeCoin just in general. Obviously, I know a lot of us know ApeCoin from the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and obviously that was one of the most successful NFT launches and mints and just general community building in the NFT space ever. Like, it was ridiculous. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how ApeCoin came about, and now ApeCoin basically has its own DAO, which is decentralized application, and you can see it's basically gearing up for a lovely Web3 economy. So behind the face of what we know, which was the NFTs, ApeCoin has been born into a very interesting economy sort of standpoint, okay, which is very, very bullish, and we are seeing that essentially get reflected quite heavily in the price. Okay, now let's go over to the chart and let's break this down together. Before we go into that, guys, I just want to talk to you quickly about a project that you can get some early alpha information on. It's called Flockers. Okay, the links will be in the description. It's basically a vote to earn DAO, which is a decentralized application, and the user, the community members, will get paid to participate in the direction of the project. Okay, so unlike normal DAOs where users just vote on the direction of the project because they want to see it do well, this is actually a vote to earn economy. So if you vote, you actually get paid as well, and you earn Flock token, which is super cool, super bullish. Yeah, just another DAO I'd like to throw in there for you guys to basically do some research on yourself. All the links will be in the description, and they are in a pre-sale phase, and they've nearly raised $1 million, guys. Okay, so it's not a bad project. This has got some legs. I do really see this this thing doing really, really well. Okay, so we'll leave the link in the description for that. Go check it out if you want. They also offer staking at this early stage in the pre-sale, which does translate to passive income as well, right? So yeah, links are in the description. Let's go straight to the Ape chart here, and let's talk about what we have seen over the last couple of days or so. Okay, well, the last day really. Let's break this down together. Well, no, a couple of days or so. Last 2 days coming into this third day today here. Essentially, it's not even 70%. It's actually up 106% in the last sort of 3 days, 2.5 days here, and that is absolutely ridiculous. It did get to 135%, but just naturally a little pullback here, which is absolutely fine. Now, what I'm really looking out for here for ApeCoin, and just the reaction of what we've seen from this massive move, is probably a bit of a pullback at this stage, guys. Okay, probably a bit of a pullback because, well, obviously we have seen big breakouts to the upside in terms of price action, in terms of breaking key resistance levels and key support levels. We have smashed that to the upside. We've kind of hit a very, very strong pinnacle point. So if we do want to flash over to the weekly here, because this is where it gets quite interesting. You can see we've actually got very, very strong progressive trend lines coming down from launch, from all-time highs here, pretty much on Binance there, and you can see it's pretty much been lower low after lower low, lower high after lower high, and right here is quite interesting because we actually haven't seen this bullish momentum like this on its own for a very long time with Ape. Okay, so this is why everyone's a bit intrigued as to why this thing is going off right now, but what we're sort of waiting on is, you can see, having these trend lines coming down, we've got the support on the lower side, like so, and then of course the resistance on the top side, like so. Okay, we've actually broken out of this zone, and that means we're breaking out of what this is called. This is called a falling wedge, guys. Falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside, so the measure move that we're really looking out for here is going to be from the bottom of the wedge to the top of the wedge, dragging that up to the breakout zone, which is there, and this will potentially give us a price target for ApeCoin in the coming weeks, and that essentially will be, was 148% since the break, and then from the current level it's around 89%, so quite interesting to say the least. Definitely some more price action I would expect, but the first thing first, what I would like to see here for ApeCoin, it's a bit of a pullback and a retest. Okay, the pullback that I'm referring to will be roughly towards this area here, just a little bit lower than that. As you can see, there's massive levels of support here. Just genuinely, there's so many wicks to the lower side here, and finding that support was quite easy on that point, right? And vice versa with the resistance. So what I would expect here, just to reiterate, to come down, test this area a little bit, and then see some continuation after that. Let me know what you think in the comment section of ApeCoin, and whether you're getting involved with this move, and why do you think that this thing has exploded recently? It's a very, very interesting asset to be following right now, and I think a lot of people are. So let me know in the comment section whether you are. If you found any value in this video, guys, drop a little like and that helps us out tremendously. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell on. You're never going to miss one of our uploads here over on Crypto News. Just again, we have got a vote to earn DAO for you guys to go check out. All the links are in the description. Don't miss out on this one. This is where you can earn huge early rewards for just getting involved at this early stage. They've got audits on there as well. They've got staking. They've got all the meters on the bone. So go check that out as well. I'll leave a link in the description for flockers. That's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.